Hi there, my name's Jason DeWild and welcome to AKA Academy, Sydney's newest place to learn about recording, mixing, mastering and production. At AKA Academy, we believe in offering you the best learning experience. So how do we do that? 1. All our classes are face-to-face. We want you to be in the middle of our world. A world of creativity and technology. You can learn music production online, but you miss out on all that interactivity with the studio and its people. So the best way to learn about music production is right here in the environment. 2. All our classes are practical. Every one of our classes is taught in a professional recording studio environment, either at Kiln Studios or at A Sharp. And what that means is that you really get to experience a real world production. 3. All our courses are short, typically 8 weeks long. And what that means is you come in, learn the material and start applying that material in your own productions as quick as possible. What that also means is that you can tailor your own individual learning. You might be interested in hip hop production and then you might want to go, actually, well, now I'll do 8 weeks of mixing as well. Whatever your learning needs are, you get to choose which path you want to take. 4. You get individual studio time for your practical projects. You simply book the studio and then start experimenting with all the great stuff that you've learned in your class. Try things out on your own productions or someone else's. It's all about doing and learning. And all that is included as part of the courses at AKA Academy. 5. All our teachers know their stuff. Our teachers are all working engineers and producers, but not only that, they're great teachers and can explain things in a clear and logical way. What that means is that you learn in a relaxed, supportive and respectful environment. To find out more, jump onto our website akaacademy.com.au. We'll have plenty of information coming up about future courses and you're always welcome to drop in and have a look around. Until then, see you soon.